Everyone, welcome to Concepts Lab. Today, we're performing a simple yet fascinating experiment to study the scattering of light. Let's get started. First, we take a beaker and fill it with clear water. This will be our base for testing how light behaves. Now, let's shine a laser beam through the water and observe carefully. As you can see, the beam passes straight through with little to no scattering. This happens because pure water does not scatter visible light much. Now, let's take a dropper and add a few drops of milk into the water. Give it a good mix. Now, let's shine the laser again and see the difference. Oh, now, the beam is clearly visible inside the liquid. This is because the tiny fat and protein particles in the milk scatter the light. This phenomenon is called the Tyndall Effect. So, in clear water, the laser passes through almost invisible, but in milky water, the beam scatters and becomes visible. This is the same principle behind the blue sky and red sunsets. If you loved this experiment, smash that like button, subscribe to Concepts Lab for more awesome science videos, and comment below what experiment we should do next.